Tonight, questions surround the death of a woman at the Bibb County Jail. The family of 55-year-old Rachel Robinson. Tonight, questions surround the death of a woman at the Bibb County Jail. The family of 55-year-old Rachel Robinson says she had a documented history of mental illness and should have never been behind bars.
Robinson was found unconscious in her cell January 18th. She later died at the hospital. The sheriff's office is investigating, but her family is demanding answers and accountability. Maggie Fitzgerald spoke with the family and shares what they had to say.
To find out that she was in jail, it was shocking. Rachel is a very sweet individual. The bottom line to it, the system failed her.
The family of 55-year-old Rachel Robinson says her death inside the Bibb County Jail was preventable. Robinson had been in jail since November, charged with assaulting an officer.
She wasn't even supposed to be in there, first place, because she had mental illness. Even if they had a facility for her, she didn't need to be in there anyway.
We spoke to Robinson back in 2016 at a resource fair in Macon. Relatives say after the alleged assault, Robinson was taken from the hospital and booked into jail, despite her documented mental health needs. They say she had regularly sought help at Atrium Health Navicent during episodes of mental illness.
I just have that image in my head for her help, asking for help. Just wish she could have got some help. Somebody would have listened to her and just came to her aid to help her, to make sure she was okay.
The sheriff's office says all inmates are medically screened and referred for mental health evaluation when necessary. But the family says that does not reflect Rachel's experience, and they believe she was left without care. The sheriff's office is conducting an internal affairs investigation, while the GBI has conducted an autopsy. Family members now remembering Robinson as soft-spoken, deeply religious, and a loving mother to her two sons. They say her loss should be a wake-up call.
It's not a black issue. It's not a white issue. It's a human issue. These people they're seeking help. They should receive help, and it shouldn't come from being locked up behind bars. That's how the system failed, Rachel.
In Macon, Maggie Fitzgerald, 13, WMAZ News.
Authorities say a cause of death has not been determined. The GBI says Robinson's autopsy report should be finished in a couple of weeks.
So far, the sheriff's office has not provided any updates on the internal investigation. According to previous reporting, Robinson is the second inmate to die at the Bibb County Jail this year, and at least the 9th in the past 2 years. The conditions at the jail have led to concern across the state, with Senators Raphael Warnock and John Ossoff requesting a federal investigation into the jail.
The senator said longtime health and safety problems at the jail violate inmates' civil rights. The request was made in July of last year. So far, the Department of Justice has not responded. Over the past year, Bibb County leaders have taken steps to improve conditions at the jail.
Mayor Lester Miller introduced a 6-point plan. It included things like releasing eligible inmates on ankle monitors and a new $30 million jail expansion. Construction is expected to start on that project later.